Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Baby. I just wanna get your attention. Hey girl, hey girl. I really wanna be all up in your head. Yeah, 'cause what I got you gon' wanna get some. Yeah, but girl that's only if you ain't scared.
Wash the chicken fingers until clean and remove the nails.
Turn on the stove to low heat.
Then add bay leaves and ground pepper.
A few moments later.
Wash all those pieces until clean. Grind the spices until smooth.
Heat cooking oil to saute the spices until fragrant. After that, add the lemongrass leaf, one bay leaves, and lime leaves.
Then add the brown sugar and stir until even mixed.
Add the chicken fingers and stir until even mixed.
Add seasoning and also ground pepper, then mix well. When it's cooked, put into serving plate.
That's all about how to make chicken fingers. Hopefully you can try this at home. See you guys.